Good morning all. Welcome to the new video of IPCS Digital. Today we are going to learn how to sign in and use Instagram Creator Studio in desktop. So here I am opening Facebook Creator Studio. Creator Studio is a place where we can manage our every uploads and we can view the statistics, strategies and analytics of that particular post and overall Facebook page. Now I am logging into my Facebook account. Now I have opened my Creator Studio. There you can see two icons represents Facebook and Instagram respectively. Please click on Insta icon. There you can see one of my Instagram posts. You can see the post performances and all the related details of that post. There are different tabs for video, photos, carousel and stories. We can create post, view insights, and there is a button for Instagram accounts. Please click on that. There you can see add Instagram account. When you click there, you will find the Insta login screen. Type your credentials and log into your account, and you are literally all done with the Instagram Creator Studio. Thank you for watching this video and stay tuned to our channel for more informative videos.